Here's one of those things that might not be a problem, but definitely something you should consider if you're building a deck or a porch or some type of a landing, some type of a platform near a door. And as you can see here, that this particular landing or deck is quite a bit lower than the original floor. I mean, I would imagine the original floors could be an inch or a half inch below the bottom of the door here. And then, of course, you have the threshold here. All I'm suggesting is that if you are going to build a deck, to raise it up to between an inch, a maximum of 2 inches below the top of the interior floor. And then, of course, if you needed to redesign any of the exterior building components, something like that, make any modifications to make it work, then that would be great. Now, if you have a door that opens out, this could provide you with a variety of different obstacles. And you would need to check with your local building department anyway to find out what they require. The only reason why I'm suggesting that you raise the deck up, and this might be fall within the realms of what the building and your local building and safety department would suggest also, would be that it doesn't seem to be as big of a problem as it's going in, even though it could be. If you could imagine someone stepping up onto the floor and catching their shoe on the bottom of this projecting threshold, then you could actually see where this could be a problem. Someone could trip. This obviously wouldn't be the case if you had the deck raised up to the bottom of the threshold, or even if it was an inch below, something like that. You're not going to have the same problem. And that's what really, to me, building in safety is all about. Eliminating the possibility of a problem by making people aware of the problems to begin with, which is what I'm doing right now. So now another problem with this right here is when you're coming out of the building. You have poor vision. I've seen this happen before. The door's open, someone's coming out, and they think that the deck or the landing height is a little higher than it is. Let's just say that their vision, they can't really see very good, or they're in a hurry, something like that. And they think that they're going to be stepping about here. And in their mind, they've already, planned it out here. Hey, subconsciously, my foot is going to be resting here. And it doesn't. It goes all the way down. They trip and fall, and they're fine. Maybe they're injured. But either way, again, it goes back to what I said originally. If we can eliminate a problem like this, why wouldn't we? So, and like I said, doors that open out and doors that open in provide two different variations or two different sets of problems for building code issues. So, and I believe you could visit the website. They have more information on the doors and the building codes that might be more acceptable for your area. But again, keep in mind that these building codes, the information I have on the website, might not be applicable in your area. It's not uncommon to find a building code that's written in the International Building Code or something that isn't used by a particular building department. So I hope this makes sense. Decks, keep them as high as you can to eliminate people, the possibility of someone actually tripping while they're walking in, or tripping as they come out because they've somehow misjudged the depth of the landing or the deck.